Hey guys, happy Friday, March 22nd, 2019, and we are not staying inside. It is spring. Let's get out there and act like it, okay guys? So, I think we should maybe go to, voila! How's this? Is this okay for spring? Enjoy. Voodoo, all kinds of weird stuff out here. Well guys, I'm totally out of shape. This is crazy. It's beautiful up here, but it's crazy. Thank God it's not summertime. I'd be dying. It's just the right temperature. But going uphill is always a drag when you're out of shape. So, hopefully by end of summer, this will be a cakewalk. I'm assuming I got about 3 more miles to go till I'm back to my car. Whew. I'll catch you soon. Bye. Well guys, I'm at the halfway point on the day loop. And I've been going off the path quite a bit, up and down hillsides and stuff, but I have to say I'm pretty out of shape. It's not as easy as it looks. So hope you guys are enjoying this. It's beautiful out here. Yay! No wild animals yet. Just an eagle which flew by and I missed, and a lot of birds, a few boats. Anyway, I will talk to you later. know what really trips me out is you're out here in nature. There's birds singing. It's beautiful. The breeze is blowing through the trees. I just feel like so at peace. And then I pass people on the trail who are listening to loud music, totally tuning out all this beauty from nature. I think it's hilarious. Just a personal observation. I just saw something move out there. It was big. It was brown. I have no idea what it was, but the second I saw it, it was gone. But it was moving and there was noise. So now I'm kind of cruising. I know there ain't no bears around here. Might have been like a bobcat or something though. I don't know. It was at a distance. Kind of cool. When you're out here alone, you never know what you're going to run into. Wish I would have been filming. I don't know where he went. He was up there somewhere.